Hi, what is supply and demand? Imagine tribe have one mammoth steak. All hunters hungry. 10 hunters want steak. Only one steak. What happened? Hunters fight. Price go up. You give 10 bones, 20 bones, maybe wife's necklace. Ooga booga! Demand high, supply low. But if we kill too many mammoths, now meat everywhere. Tribe cannot eat so fast. Meat rot. Flies dance. Price go down. Maybe trade steak for one berry. This supply high, demand low. It like cave girls say, only one me, many hunters want. High demand, but if 10 cave girls show up, suddenly you not special. So remember, little supply, big demand. Bones fly high. Big supply, little demand. Bones worth nothing. Ooga booga! Economy not magic. It just hungry tribe fighting over steak. Now you understand? Good. Subscribe, or me raise demand for your bones.